Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in the US. Welcome to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Today I have super fun cards with you, so let's get started. I found these adorable frogs, and those are easy 3D toppers, and look how absolutely adorable they are. Now, I know frogs are in right now. They're very popular, and I was happy that Hearty Crafts actually made these frog toppers, and there are 10 to a bag, and look at them. One is reading a letter, this one is just relaxing, this one is dancing in a puddle, all these different ones, even playing the bass with a birthday cake, sailing. So super cute. So they're called the Happy Frogs, and 10 to a bag, and each of these little bags has 3 layers. And I made cards, and these were fun. So I needed a birthday card for my nephew and my niece, and I thought this year they're both gonna get, and these are adults, by the way. I have a grandniece already, so my nephew and my niece, these are adults, and I thought they're gonna get a frog card this year. So my niece, I think she will get this cute little frog lady on the mushroom, and that's why you see this Herzlichen Glückwunsch there in German, which is basically saying, you know, happy birthday. So don't worry about that, but I already put it on there because this is going to be mailed off to Germany. And what I used here is just background paper from the Microcosmos pack that I have been using all spring, because it has these flowers and the critters on there, and it's just perfect to use with the frog embellishments. And then this piece I think I had just left over with the polka dots. But that is my first card, and the only other thing I used is just one little bling embellishment and a little border here. These borders are available in my shop. And then for my nephew, he will get this one right here. Now the card blank is from the denim pack that I have introduced a couple weeks ago, so to make that just a little bit more masculine. And again, I have this German greeting on here. But I thought, you know, this guy here in his swimsuits, sitting in a lounge chair, having a little cocktail, I thought will make a great birthday card for him. These little pebbles here that look like water bubbles, I'm going to link them below. These are stickers, and I have them in my shop, and I think that for summer they look really like drops of water. And then a couple pieces of my glittery washi tape finish this card, and I just love these creatures here. They are funny and they're fresh, and I think they make beautiful birthday cards. Okay, and then I have one more, and this one here is a bigger card. This is actually 5.5 by 5.5. Let's see. This card is actually 5 3/4 by 5 3/4. Now this pack, this is a card making pack that I will introduce to you next week. So that's coming up, so stay tuned. But I'm showing you the card I made right now because it has the frog on there. But the pack with all this, the cards and the toppers and those layers, they all come in a card making pack. So please tune in next Saturday. And these layers of the card topper, see, is a little bit glittery, but the stuff that is kind of glazed on there so it doesn't come off. And isn't it a beautiful birthday card? Just love it. And It's Time to Celebrate comes from the Paper Boutique pack that has all these sentiments in there. And again, I will also link that below. So these are my first 3 frog cards. And if you are into those cartoon characters, we have the frogs, we also have ladybugs, and we also have friendly snails. And these are just as cute. Look at those friendly snails. So if you are interested in these cute card toppers, then check them out. We got we got the snails, we got the ladybugs, we got those friendly butterflies too that kind of look cartoonish. So I'll link those below too. But I thought I'm just gonna put them in there because they kind of to me are in the same category as those frogs. And then we have more friendly frogs. Look at this one here, sitting in this cracked flower pot. Now this friendly frog came from the Friendly Frogs by Amy Design, and these are die cut sheets with 3 different embellishments, and they are sitting in these cute flower pots. Here is one. This is the one I used on this card, and it has all these extra layers that you can lay on top. And then we have this one hanging onto a tulip. So I made cards with this pack because I think that is just absolutely cute. So here again I used the Microcosmos paper. I am, as you can see these days, using my washi to offset it. And then those 2, well, this tag came from the P13 tags that I have shown to you last week or a week before. And just to give it a little bit more interest. But this frog sits on this doily that I have cut out, and this is a card in green. Now the card blank is from the pearlescent cards that I have in my shop, Cards and Envelopes. So I'll link them below. But isn't that a cute card? Now that is my first card for this sheet. And then I made a couple more slimline cards. Here we have this frog hanging on to the tulip. So let's see if this focuses in. There we go. And I added a little bit of glitter. These sheets do not come glittered. So this is using my stickles. The background paper is from the Microcosmos paper pack. And then this sentiment is actually from a sentiment sheet that is also available in my shop, and I will link it below, and it's by Kanban. So here I made a white slimline card, and then my last one, and here it is. This is so gorgeous. What I have done here is I used glaze on that, and you can see it now. Yeah, so yeah, I used a little bit of glaze on this frog to make him shiny, and then added just a little bit of glitter in the middle of those flowers. This is a thank you card and a slimline card where I used one of these beautiful papers by Ciao Bella, and I folded it in half, and because it is double-sided, you immediately have also a beautiful inside of the card. And I again added just a little writing panel here by using printer paper. I hope you enjoyed my frog cards. These were a lot of fun to make. Oh, by the way, I also made an envelope for this slimline card. Always using up papers now to make matching envelopes. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. If so, please leave me a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment. I would love to hear from you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and please support me by sharing this video with your crafty friends and family. I would really appreciate it. So this is all I have for you today. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye.